Hello and welcome to Ben Stock Trades. In this video, I will cover a couple TradingView issues I had encountered and how I fixed them. First, I had a user who had no numbers on his lines. This was solved by going to the chart settings by right mouse clicking and selecting settings. Then we go to the canvas tab and set the text to a color that is easier to see. In this case, it's white. I also had to fix the transparency settings. The next issue was that the ticker line was gone, changing the settings under the scales. And Lines tab will reveal the scale modes A and L, and switch it from visible on mouse over to always visible. Then there are times when the indicators have a lot of useless information that we can hide. We do that by going to the Status Line tab and unchecking the Inputs and Values boxes under Indicators and Titles. Clicking the A will bring the line back up front and center. Finally, there was another who had an issue with the wrong currency selected, and we can solve that by selecting the correct currency at the top of the number line. I hope this quick video was helpful, and please let me know if there are issues that you encounter with the chart that I can help with. If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to Ben Stock Trades, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future trading tutorials. Please feel free to also comment if there is a subject you would like me to make videos about in the future. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy trading!